Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video is how to create a Gmail account. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Creating a Gmail account on a mobile device is a straightforward process. Now follow the steps to create a Gmail account on your mobile. So first thing you're gonna do is open the Gmail app on your mobile. Now, if you don't have the app installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now, I'm already here in the login page. Then click on Create Account. Then you just need to choose for yourself or to manage your business. Now, enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields. And the surname is optional. Then just click Next. Then enter your basic information. Enter your birthday and your gender. Then just click Next. Now, you can choose your Gmail address. You can create your own Gmail address or you can just choose on the upper. Then just click Next. Now, create a strong password. It says here that creating a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now, provide a phone number for your account verification purposes. Then just read the privacy and terms. And just click I agree. You have successfully created the Gmail account on your mobile device. You can now use your Gmail account to send and receive emails and access other Google services like Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Calendar. Now, if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!